Gold prices are up by about $20 on Wednesday. Here to talk about why we saw that pop is Mike McGlone of ETF Securities U.S. Mike, thanks for being here.
Joe, thanks for having me.
So, Mike, the news has been in this morning that a buildup of Russian troops along the eastern border near Ukraine has given this nice little spike to gold in the morning. What do you think?
I think it's legitimate, and gold's doing what it's supposed to do, is help provide the diversification and provide protection. But gold does not really sustain rallies on geopolitical events. It's usually short-term events, and that's what's happening. It's a bit of a geopolitical short-term event. The bigger picture we're concerned about in Washington is this big drop in copper. Copper's down 12% in the year. Gold's up 13%, kind of signifying the potential slowdown in China.
Right. I mean, copper hitting its lowest point since July 2010. I've talked to some other gold people recently, as you know, talked to a lot of them, and there is concern among many of them that if the situation in the Ukraine ebbs, that we will see somewhat of a pullback, maybe down towards that $1,300 level. Are you guys concerned as well?
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. 13 to 14 looks like the new range for now. What's changed this year, at least in the last week or two, is gold forward rates are no longer negative. That was a big sign of demand earlier on. Gold in backwardation in the front part of the curve is no longer the case. And the Shanghai premium is no longer a premium. It's a bit of a discount. So all indicating that gold is somewhat getting a little bit lofty at these levels in the near term. But also a key thing that's shifted is ETF holdings have picked up.
Have increased. But let's pull back real quickly. The premium, the Shanghai index, can you explain to people what that means when we're not seeing a premium?
When you're not seeing a premium, it's generally an indication of less demand out of Shanghai. And most people know last year certainly was China became the biggest buyer of gold in the world. And there was a premium mostly all year of Shanghai gold versus COMEX gold. That's really a bit of a discount now, and that demand's a little more elastic, probably indicating some of that demand might have dried up, at least for the short term.
All right, Mike, as always, thanks so much.
Thank you, Joe.
That's Mike McGlone of ETF Securities U.S. For TheStreet, I'm Joe Deaux.